Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome to my newest diecast car unboxing video. So this one will be called 2 for Tuesday or Double Score Tuesday Matchbox unboxing because these are from 2022 AKs. That's right, 2022 AKs Matchbox cars are finally hitting Walmart stores across the USA. The only one that was missing that I would have planned on getting was the 3000 GT, and one of two things was possibly why it wasn't there. The collectors had already gotten them all as of a few hours ago before I was able to get any of them, or the pegs, whatever they put out is just what they put out, and they're gonna get more within a few days. Either way, it wasn't there. The Curtis sports car was there, but it's like after seeing it in person at Walmart store, it just didn't look that cool to me. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox both of them right now. So I will be back shortly with both Dodge Durango Matchbox SUVs unboxed fully from the card packaging. Bye for now. So there's both of the Dodge Durango ones fully unboxed. Sorry about that. Had to move a few things around. And there they are again. So yeah. Now this is the first release of this Matchbox vehicle, the Dodge Durango that is. And there will be a new Dodge Durango, but not until possibly a few more months later on this year as a hitch and haul or hitch and tow, whichever that series is called by Matchbox. But it's in a different paint job color. And also, I noticed something kind of odd about this. These Dodge Durango ones, I looked underneath and both of them said 2020 Mattel, which is bizarre because these didn't officially come out until 2022. For A-case cars, and these are newer than 2021 mainline Matchbox cars from any of the 2021 mainline cars from Matchbox. So if anyone has any reason why it says 2020 instead of 2021, please do let me know. If not, then I'll just wonder why it says 2020 and not 2021, and we'll together instead. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, and bye until my next cars or video games video or live stream sometime this week or weekend. Bye now. Thanks for watching.